What's the deal with the triple equals in Elixir? Hey, it's Mark at alchemist.camp, where we learn Elixir and Phoenix by building things. Today we're going to take a look at the triple equals operator, which may be familiar to you from JavaScript. JavaScript is a weakly typed language, so if we evaluate 5, the number 5 equals the string 5, it'll return true. If we use the triple equals, it'll return false. This is very important in JavaScript because JavaScript does quite a bit of conversion. So you'll get strange things like an empty array equaling 0, for example, which is not it's probably not logic you want to rely on in your program. So although you never know, so it's generally best practice to use triple equals all the time. Elixir also has a triple equals, but it's much less common than JavaScript's. So I've set up a module here with some examples. So I'll just grab all of those. And this is strict equality dot examples. The triple equals is for strict equality evaluation. So you see here, I've got a lot of comparisons, and I'll type them into the terminal in a moment. First, let's look at 5 equals 5.0. This is true, but with a triple equals, it's false. This is actually the only time you really need to worry about a triple equals. It's because 5 and 5.0 are both numbers. You actually do get floats coerced into or you get integers coerced into floats. So it is useful in that case. I'm just going to paste the rest of these into the terminal and we'll go through them really quickly. So you'll see there is a difference between the double equals and triple equals with an integer and a float. In the case of an integer and a string, it doesn't matter. Even a double equals will give you false. That's because Elixir is, despite being dynamic, it's strongly typed. So we're not going to get any automatic conversion from a binary string into an integer. True double equals the atom true, and it triple equals the atom true. This is because of how booleans are implemented. You should check out my video on booleans if you want to know more about that. False is not double equals or triple equals nil, and same thing with 0. False is not 0. The double equals, triple equals does matter between integers and floats. Even when you've got them embedded inside of a list, we get a distinction here. Hope you found that useful, and I will see you next time. If you learned something from this Elixir tip, then go to my newsletter, type in your name, your email, and join. I'll send you summaries with links to my newest tutorials, articles, interviews, and projects. Of course, you can unsubscribe at any time.